Hello guys, what's up? Today I want to be showing people how I edit my videos, the step-by-step processes that I go through to make sure that I do not miss anything. So I put it in steps so that I don't miss any step and everything, and the video comes out exactly the way I want it to. So today I'm using my jotter to be showing you everything. I've written it down here all in my jotter. So first I have working on the video, I have transitioning if needed, stickers and text, audio editing, and finally adding your music or your songs or anything. Now I'll be explaining them one after the other. Working on the video involves cropping the video, trimming the video, and changing your canvas. It also involves adding recorded voice notes if necessary, like I'm doing now. Next, add your stickers and text. Next, edit your audios. I have a complete video on how to edit your audios in the description box below. You can check it out. And my video is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I post.